Hi Ravi, Happy New Year. Happy New Year, Aman, Happy New Year. So, what's your New Year resolution this time? Oh, I have decided to focus on my health this year. I am planning to hit the gym regularly and eat healthier. What about you, by the way? Great. That's great for me. I want to improve my time management. Yes, I feel like I wasted a lot of time last year. So this year I will stick to a proper schedule. That's a good one. Are you using any apps or planners for that? Yeah, I downloaded a planner app and I'm trying to write down my tasks every day. Let's see how it goes. Sounds very interesting and productive. I have also started journaling. It's helping me to stay on track with my goals. That's awesome. We should keep checking in with each other to stay motivated. Yes, definitely. Let's make this year our best one. And nice to talk to you after a long time. Yes. Thank you so much.